For some reason, YouTube decided to demonetize my channel. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. We got a different video today. I'm finna rant real good. And I'm finna be real honest. My shirt, I've been out here doing stuff and whatnot. I've been on YouTube for 10 years. I was on YouTube when they did it, when you didn't need all these subscribers and watch hours to get monetized. For some reason, YouTube decided to demonetize my channel, and I'm stuck at a certain amount of watch hours. I don't know what to do. I don't know who to call out to. I'm literally stuck. This is like one of my moments to where it's like, what the fuck? And I gotta go to other platforms to do what I want to do. I don't like it at all. I'm thinking about starting another YouTube because this is not it. This ain't it. If you have an old YouTube page in that shit, you can look in our analytics and you can see multiple reports of your watch hours not being reported, or multiple reports of stuff not being reported. I am aggravated. I'm pissed off. How the fuck did I get 50,000 watch hours this week, but I don't have it on my, it's not on my channel. It won't go towards my channel. Like, I don't understand. I don't get it. And I get that the shorts don't go towards your watch hours once you have to go back and do the monetization thing. But don't get demonetized like me. Y'all get demonetized. It's the hardest thing to come back. Like, it's so hard to come back. I'm standing out here with all this fucking pollen. I can see this pollen just flying in the air. But it's the hardest thing to come back from. It's the hardest thing to come back from. Like I said, at this point, I'm thinking about making another video, another YouTube channel, because this YouTube, yeah, I got all these followers and subscribers on here, but we're not watching, okay? We're not watching, and if you are watching, please let me know, because, baby, my shit ain't matching. My views in the analytics and my views on this app is not adding up no kind of way. Like I said, I have been monetized before twice. I had to work towards my 4,000 watch hours, and I had to work towards my other things. I will be dropping videos that I already have on this channel, but I will be moving to another channel. I will list it in my put it in my channel or whatever, so you guys can follow. Because like I said, like I've been trying to do, this is what discouraged me. This is the discouraging part of YouTube, is that you run into stuff that you cannot figure out. You can't figure out at all. And this is one of the things, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm thinking about writing YouTube just to see what's going on, because I've been busting my ass, and they really make me not want to post on this app anymore, or on this specific channel anymore. Just because I have to go through this bullshit. You know what I'm saying? Like, who wants to go through this shit to try to get some, to try to get your check back? You know what I'm saying? I mean, damn. I make money on other social media platforms, but this one right here is really pissing me off. And it says that basically once the when people was doing, you know, when we was doing reaction videos started to pop up. Okay, that's how I got demonetized, because of the format I was using at the time. We didn't have all of that. We did not have all of that. We got punished. We got punished for it. All the old YouTubers got punished for anything that we got hit. You know what I'm saying? We got hit with the strike. If it wasn't how it's supposed to be for the new update, we get hit, and it's crazy. We get music taken off our shit. Like, it's crazy. It's crazy. I've been on YouTube for a while though. But I just want to inform everyone that I will be dropping a lot of videos on this channel. I do need to get my watch hours up. If anybody has any tips to get watch hours up, please let me know. I've been doing everything in my willpower that I was doing before, and it's not working. It's not working at all. So I'm just gonna start dropping content videos on how to start a YouTube channel and things of that nature. because they don't want to pay me for my regular content. So I think I'm gonna just try to do some mainstream content until y'all can hop over to my main page and see what I'm doing over here. But until then, I think I'm gonna do some, you know, content to where, you know, yeah, this was gonna be my wild out channel. Like, I'm gonna have my hair stuff on here or whatever, and I'm gonna be dancing on here. But when it comes to making money, I do not make money on this page. I have over 10,000 subscribers, almost 15,000 subscribers, and I do not make money on this page. Seriously. Something has to motherfucking come out of this. Like, I'm not finna keep posting shit. Seriously. It's pissing me off. That's why I said I'm going to start a new page, because something is wrong. Then when I go start a new page, they only need 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours. What the fuck? I'm ready to fight a bitch at this point. Like, it's really pissing me off. And that's what, bitch. And I ain't gonna lie, I wouldn't even get no big YouTube check. Like, my first YouTube check was like $215. That's it. After that, that's when they start hitting me with all these copyright things, and I had to redo my stuff and all this extra shit. I'm gonna try to stay consistent, and I'm gonna do what I need to do. But this is my YouTube grant. And at this point, I'm ready to say fuck you. Like, I'm ready to say fuck you on my soul. I'm ready to say fuck you, because all these people are getting, like, blowing up, and, you know, like, it ain't taking them that long. I know they put in the work, but baby, I've been putting in work for a long time, and I have been getting the short end of the stick, and I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. So fuck you.